Hello everyone, I am thrilled to be here today to introduce you to my latest creation, a groundbreaking human enhancement technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and thrive in our world. My name is Darlene Antoinette Duran, and I am honored to share this innovative invention with you. Over the next few minutes, I'll be providing and showing you an overview of this technology, its unique features, benefits, and societal improvement that it brings. Now let's dive right in. Now, what is my invention? What does it do? What does it contribute? This invention, which I've named Human Tech, is a sophisticated neural augmentation device designed to enhance cognitive function and mental acuity. It works by stimulating key areas of the brain, improving memory, focus, and even problem solving abilities. With its sleek and ergonomic design, Human Tech is comfortable to wear, seamlessly integrates into daily life, whether at work, school, or just simply pursuing your passions. Now, how does this invention similar or different from existing tools or technologies in terms of function? Now, what sets human tech apart from existing cognitive enhancement tools is its advanced neural interface, which allows for precise and targeted stimulation of specific brain regions. Unlike traditional methods like medication or brain training apps, getting checkups, appointments, human tech offers unparalleled effectiveness and efficiency. Now you might be asking, why is there a need for this invention? How does it help? In today's fast-paced world, the demand for cognitive enhancement solutions has never been greater. Many individuals struggle with cognitive decline, coming from stress, even information overload, hindering their ability to perform at their best. Now, with human tech, we have the opportunity to address these challenges and empower individuals to unlock their full potential, leading to improved productivity, creativity, and even overall well being. Now, how will this invention make the world a better place to live in? With human tech, by enhancing cognitive function and mental resilience, it has the potential to transform not only individual lives, but entire communities and societies. Imagine a world where everyone has access to the tools they need to thrive mentally and emotionally, giving them motivation, inspiration, and even the energy to do daily activities without worrying so much. Now, with human tech, we represent a significant leap forward in human enhancement technology. We offer unprecedented possibilities for personal and social growth. And human tech urges you to support our efforts to bring this innovation to the world and envision a future where cognitive enhancement is accessible and available to all. Together, let's create a brighter, smarter future for generations to come. Thank you.